easily transform a space, like any room in your room, any room in your house. All the products that I've used in this video are from Envy Magic. Almost done most of the things here. It's looking pretty. I'm just going to be adding a bit of organizational hack here. Great. I just love the way these lights have been used, and this is the side, and these posters are from Envy Magic. So we have a very wide collection of posters. Any posters that you like, you can just WhatsApp me or text me on Instagram, and I can send that to you. So this is a Happy Valentine's Day poster, as we had launched the products on the Valentine's this year, and it says you got this. This poster is like really, we can frame it. It can be framed, and we can this space is something we will put a plant in, and that's how it's looking. So on this of the room, I have this thing, a screen that's put up for say some shoot or some pictures. Where this side of the room, I will be putting a canopy. So let's do that. So on this side, I'm putting a floor bed so that at times I can come and sit on the floor because I love working sitting on the floor. So it's canopy, and you can see it's looking very cute. And on the floor, I have added a carpet. This is also from Envy Magic, and on the sides, I have kept a tool. So I will be adding this macrame on the how you can very easily transform a space, like any room in your room, any room in your house. All the products that I've used in this video are from Envy Magic because this brand focuses on creating magical spaces, magical living spaces. So this room of my house was empty and I wasn't really using it, even though it is huge and it's got like huge potential. But I was restricted to one room, which is like my bedroom. So I would just stay in my bedroom and stay mostly in my bedroom. But even though like the lockdown is over, we all need a designated workspace where, especially when you're working from home, it becomes very crucial that you stay in this particular place where you work. At least for me, it works much better when I have a dedicated place where I work from. So I was like, I have to use this space, and I was like, this is such a nice place, and why am I not using this big room? So earlier I was doing yoga here, and now I'm doing yoga in the other room. So there are like other rooms where I can work out and stuff. I mean, I can do it here as well, but I wanted to designate this space particularly for work and for my YouTube work. Editing videos requires a lot of time and mental energy. So when you have a designated space which is also inspiring, you can work much better. Especially for creative work, it becomes even more crucial to have a creative zone, a creative space. So in this video, I'm showing you exactly how you can make that and how you can transform actually any space into a beautiful place where creativity is inspired and you feel like working and it's fun. So I shifted my desk to this direction, which is next to the window, and then I added fairy lights to the wall which is behind the desk and near the window, because adding lights is a very beautiful and a very interesting way of adding a lot of character, a lot of interesting vibes in your room. So these lights are available on NB Magic. If you want to buy them, you can WhatsApp me or you can Instagram me or you can go to our website. So a lot of products that we have still not been uploaded on the website, because guys, it's a startup and we have got like huge amount of products to be uploaded, and a lot of work got like kind of little slow because of the slow lockdown and everything. We are uploading it in the process, but everything that you see in this video is from the brand NB Magic, and I'm just trying to show you how easily you can transform a space using good products. So for example, this vase, it's a blue vase. If you want to buy it, you can get this from NB Magic. Such a beautiful vase. It adds so much of a color and inspiring vibe to your room. And this tray, this is also from NB Magic. This tray, and it's a beautiful wooden tray that can add where you can put a lot of your stuff. So I put my beautiful mug. Again, this is from NB Magic. It's from our cutlery range, a crockery range, and it says you are magical. It's so inspiring. So every time I drink tea from this, I feel like, oh yeah, you're magical, and it feels really nice. So this is also from NB Magic. Then we have this aroma diffuser. This is a cute little diffuser, and we have got a huge collection of diffusers. So if you want some unique diffusers and essential oils, contact me. I have a huge range of products that you can use my code NB new, and you can get a 25% off. So before you do that, you'll have to drop me a text, and then I can generate that for you, and then we can easily get 25% off for you. NB new. Also, these cushions, I added this. So this wall was like all barren and like it was just like it was already looking very interesting. So I added this. This also you can find in NB Magic, and then I added these two cushions out there, and these two cushions are so soft, super fluffy. These cushions are really very high quality, and it's like super fluffy, you see, and it's really so soft and cozy. So just adding this gives so much of a character and interesting vibes to the space. Also, this heart cushion has been one of the favorites for when we launched on 14 February, and it had the highest amount of sales. This heart cushion, it is so cute. We actually got this for Valentine's Day, but we still have left with some stock for this one. Also, all of these have limited stock, so it will get over very soon. So I think we're left with like some 100 now. So after that, it will be over. Yeah, I think how many of these got sold out? Few got sold out, few are left. So this is a very cute cushion, like this one is really cute. So I'm giving you one perspective about the products and how I've very thoughtfully created this space, because while I was doing it, I was keeping few things in mind. The functionality part of it is very important, along with the vibes part of it, because if it's just functional, and I like minimalist things which is not very not too much, but at the same time it should be inspiring enough to like make you smile and make you look up to the day. So on this side of the wall, I made this beautiful canopy where I can just relax and sit and work and edit. And on the other side, I have made the study arrangement. So let me give you a look for that also. So this is also from a brand, NB Magic. This is a beautiful vase like this. You can put it on your study table, and it's just so cute. I love this thing. And then let me give you some idea of how I've added stuff, because otherwise it's just like a lot of things has been added and you won't really get to know what I did. It just looks nice and I can see it's looking very pretty, because this place was just, you saw, like it was all barren and nothing was there. Now there's so much interesting good vibes here, and these vibes are so important for a happy feeling. Like, why does a man work? Why does a person work? People work to have a good home, a happy space, right? So that's the reason why we have started this collection of magical spaces, where you can easily just buy these products and just put it on your space. These are not expensive. They're very like, you can say, not cheap, but it's like not expensive, so it's very affordable, and very easily you can put so much of a character in a space and so much of interesting vibes and good vibes in a place that can inspire you to do great work, because great people need great spaces to work in. So make it magical, guys. And this is a tray that I have put here, and this is an agarbatti. I've lit an agarbatti because to clear the vibes and all of any place. So clearing the energy becomes very important. And this is also a tool from Envy Magic. It opens up like this, and there's a lot of storage space inside this, where you can just put maybe your books or maybe your clothes or anything that you want to just not see, and it creates a lot of storage actually. And while we pack it, it becomes like a plate, like it becomes like a very thin sheet. So this entire thing folds. It's completely foldable. So then yeah, this is really nice. Also, adding plants to any space makes it very nice and gives a lot of zen feel to it. So yeah, I added some plants here, and here you can see 2 macrame hangers that I've put. Let me just show you. So these macrame hangers that I've put, they are also from a brand, and it is handmade and it's created by artisans who we give our designs and they make it for us. So any design, any macrame that you want, just WhatsApp it to us. We will get it custom made for you, because we have the most amazing skilled artisans who make these products, and we get it made. So any design that you want, just WhatsApp it to us, we'll get it made. So basically these go to the international market. They go to the US, UK, even though it's made in India. So our mission is to spread these amazing products in India as well, and like make every Indian home beautiful and magical and to its true potential. The poster that you see there, I love the color scheme to it, which is like scheme, both is the same thing, which is very like on the nude side, and it shows a girl who's just very content. So these colors and these posters, we have a huge range of posters. So we have posters of every size, A0, like, which is the biggest size, then A7 is the smallest size. So in this really small little video, I have really shown you how I have engaged all the different directions with different colors and different products very simply, and created a very harmonious, happy, good vibe, zen style, minimalist, simplistic and high vibe. So I hope you enjoyed this video.